Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Eddie in the Razorback country. Eddie, I know y'all just picked up a new head coach, John Calipari from Kentucky. We wish you guys the best on that. I don't know if you are a basketball fan, but I guarantee there's somebody watching this that is. But he did really well for us for a while here at Kentucky, but it was time to move on. So anyways, let's get down to business. It's the Galaxy DX93T. Don't see a whole lot of these. Looks like the frequency counters are dancing here a little bit. This one's high, that one's low, this one's high, that one's low, but I did not install these. But anyways, we repaired it. I had a lot of squealing and feedback issues. A lot of it was supply issues with DC power. It was looking really wild on the scope. It's hard for me to explain it. You know, I probably should have shot a little video to show you in between, but definitely was starving for current. We did all that, got it set up, clarifier mod, Toshiba regulator, as well as the tuning line, some audio and power mods, and we upgraded the coax here. Not the coax, listen to me, the power cord. All right, it had this little guy here on it, on the other end, and that's just a no-go. That's a no-go around here. Poor connections. They're just not really worth it. I wouldn't run them on anything, honestly. Long John, will you hand me that power cord so I can show the fine people here what Mr. Eddie's going to have? There we go. Yeah. All right. So Eddie, we're returning you your old power cord here. And this is the new power cord you're getting right here. We offer this kit. It's a 10 gauge silicone copper and it's 10 silver. Most importantly, here's your connector. Okay. This will handle all the currents you need. The other end has been mounted on the back, and I'll show that at the end of the video. Okay. Let me just toss this to the side. Yep, there we go. All right. So we are going to start with the RF power on low. I'm going to take this 25 watt slug out. We were setting up a Cobra 29 earlier. The 50 in there, the 100 in here. Average as always, peak right here. 50 watt slug. Nice, there's your 2 watts all the way down. Let's get you one around an amp. Right there's about 6, 6.5, 7. And on high, right there at 20, okay? Show you average power swing. Hello, 40 bird average. 100 watt slug PEP. Hello, about 92 PEP. And just for reference, Eddie, before we changed it out back here, it was doing around 80 PEP, so we picked up about 12 watts, not to mention it's just going to make a better connection, you know, all your wires will stay cooler and everything. So I'm going to unplug this real quick before we go. Unplug that side. Sorry about that, had to pause the video there real quick. The old dog was barking. But look at this massive connector here we've installed. And here's your other end right here, okay? So it favors a lot like your smaller ones, but this is an XT90 plug, okay? So this is going to work out great for you. All right, Eddie, we appreciate it. We'll get it out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.